What is up, y'all? What is up, T.N.T. Mob Squad? We is back with another prank video. And you know what we doing? We is doing the you hit my car prank on Tik. Okay? And then so I got this little app. And then I'm about to let y'all hear the voice.
Hello? Yo, hey. So you the one who hit my car? Well, you left your phone number on my windshield. Listen, B,
Okay,
you
that's
scratched
enough.
my fender and busted out.
Y'all, he about to go off.
Exactly.
He about to go crazy.
So I'm about to get his number from out of my mama's phone. So, yeah.
And she about to call him.
Yeah.
And let him listen to the recording. Y'all about to hear how crazy he about to get.
Y'all, he's about to be mad.
He's really about to get crazy. I'll tell you the number.
No, they gonna hear it.
Right there.
Okay.
Y'all, this is about to be too funny.
Okay, y'all, and I'm just about to make up a fake number.
$803.
Oh man, y'all I have to.
No, you got to type in the number.
But look.
Oh. Dang. Yeah, we ain't gonna be able to do that. But do he know your number though?
I don't think so. I'm about to try it, but he's not gonna know this.
Hold up.
Yo, hey.
With the Amazon app,
It went to voicemail. Hopefully he don't call back. We just not gonna answer. A call.
order to see.
So I'm about to call back.
Call back.
Yeah. Yo, hey. So you the one who hit my car?
Man, you better know me to play on my motherfucking phone with that dumbass bullshit now.
Stop yapping and listen.
Man,
You
fuck
left
you,
your
eat a
phone
dick and
number
die.
on my windshield.
Man, you fuck, I left my mother phone on your windshield.
Listen, B, you scratched my fender and busted out my taillight.
Yeah, right.
Yes, you did.
Man, you don't get the fuck off my phone playing, eat a dick and die.
Who your insurance company, B?
Wait, it recorded. Wait, I think it recorded.
Yeah.
Hello?
Yo, he just really talking to these people.
Yo, hey. So you the one who hit my car?
Man, you better know me to play on my motherfucking phone with that dumbass bullshit now.
Stop yapping and listen.
Man, fuck
left
you,
your
eat a
phone
dick and
number
die.
on my windshield.
Man, you fuck, I left my mother phone on your windshield.
Listen, B, you scratched my fender and busted out my taillight.
Yeah, right.
Yes, you did.
Oh my God.
Oh snap! I think I sent.
Oh, I hope you downloaded.
Oh yes, it's saved. To my
Oh my
camera.
God, that was too funny.
Okay, yo. So we about to do. Why you calling my girlfriend now?
You calling him back?
Mm-hmm.
No, wait a minute. Oh my God. That was funny. Oh my God, that was too funny, y'all. We done got him once again. He can't mess with us. He ain't got us yet.
Yo, we about to do. Why you calling?
Yo, we done pranked this man again. He talking to a damn recording and he think he talking to a real person. Whew. You calling him back?
Mm-hmm.
What you about to do now? He gonna know that it's you. He ain't gonna. He might answer. He might answer just to curse you out. Y'all, this man of mine gotta fit him out. Nah, he ain't gonna answer. Don't call back because he might know it's us. Got him!
Oh no, we should do Key. No, do Kia know my number?
Yeah, Kia know your number. Well,
Wait, no.
that was that.
No, y'all. We about to do one more person. Oh, we could do Tanya.
No. Tanya's not gonna have a good reaction.
She gonna know.
Yeah.
Wait. So this video is not over with yet. We about to find somebody else to prank.
Y'all, that was a good one. Tick was good. Y'all, we got him good.
Who don't know my number, Mom? Rico know my number.
I think Rico programmed it. Oh, this Tick. Oh, here you go. Hello?
Timmy, you don't stop playing on my damn phone. Hey,
I was not playing on your phone.
hey, if you don't stop playing on my phone, hey, look, I had to catch over for a second.
No, it ain't. I was not playing on your phone.
Man, you had not that y'all playing on my motherfucking phone. Man, y'all stop playing on my motherfucking phone.